What's up, everybody? It's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and have I got a van for you today? Yes, you heard me right, a van, not a motorhome. Yes, we still build vans, and we build the coolest vans on the planet at Weldtec Designs. However, it sounds like my helicopter might be taking off, waiting for me. I'll be right there, guys. Just let me finish this video for these people here. They want to know all about this cool Ford van we did. Yeah, so this is an E350 van. This thing is just killer. It is a not extended, a shorty, and look how sexy this looks. And maybe the one reason why it's so sexy is because it's sitting on 35-inch BFG tires. I mean, yes, that is really, really cool. Now, there's a ton of things that have to be done in order to fit 35s. I'll go over a lot of those things as well in this video. If this is your first time at the channel, I want to say welcome. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me. My name is Jeremy, and this is Weldtec Designs. And here at Weldtec Designs, we build some of the baddest vans on the planet, as well as, for sure, some of the coolest RVs just around. And the benefit in doing our suspension kits is not only are you going to gain ground clearance, you're going to gain a better ride. And if you have a van or an RV, we know that they ride like complete dog poop, and we want to make it better so that you can be driven further. So without further ado, let's talk about some of the things. We're going to start in the front of this van and talk about, first, obviously, is the front bumper. I want to talk about just how clean this bumper looks. It is super low profile. This is going to be our pre-runner bumper, hence the name. You're not going to be able to run a winch in the pre-runner bumper. You're also not going to be able to run a front receiver hitch in it. So if those are two things that you're going to want to run, you're going to need to step it up into like our tube winch bumper. Super low profile, all tucked, really nice up in there. Going to give you a ton of clearance around the whole thing. Nice sleek edges on the side of it. Of course, you gotta have our name leading into the tire. Now that's gonna be one of the big things. If you're gonna want to run 35s, we're going to heavily encourage you to run one of our bumpers on there to give you that tire clearance. You cannot run a stock bumper, or you're gonna spend a ton of money trimming that bumper to get it to fit. So front bumper on there, boom, done, loving it. So now let's get into how we got 35s to fit on here. So first of all, these are the black Rhino wheels. And let's talk about that real quick. So if you want to run the black Rhino wheels, you're going to also have to run a wheel spacer up on the front, because the hub bore on a black Rhino wheel is smaller than your hub bore on your vehicle itself. So don't mess that up. Something you're definitely going to need to do. So this is going to be our Baja grocery getter kit, borderline complete performance package, because we'll get into that. Coil springs up front, our Fox shocks, our extended radius arms and brackets, and that's one of the big benefits in going with a Weldtec Design suspension kit over a traditional like bolt-on. There's other kits that you can just strictly bolt on. With that weld-on bracket on the radius arm, we're actually able to cheat that wheel significantly farther forward in the wheel well, keeping the trimming to a minimal here on the back side, getting this tire to have full clearance, being able to turn left to right. So we've moved the wheel forward in that by the radius arm. That's one of the key things on there. And with any of our kits, when you weld that on, you can locate that bracket is going to help locate that front wheel on there. So love the whole setup on there. We added our Fox steering stabilizer to the front of it as well. That's going to pretty much wrap up the front suspension components on there. And as we move to the back of this, you're going to see, again, we have these 35-inch tires. Decent amount of clearance in the front and in the back. A lot of times I would maybe even recommend doing a little trimming. This just looks really clean and didn't want to get too deep into cutting this thing up. In the rear, we are running our progressive leaf springs. We're running our Fox shocks in the back. You can see that overall this van sits really nice and level. Keep in mind too, if you are gonna run 35s as well, you're gonna wanna run like at least 1.5 inch wheel spacer on the back of it. And the reason being is that you don't want to tear up these beautiful BFG tires and have them rub the inside of your wheel well and tear that up, because with our progressive leaf springs, You will get a ton more articulation, and I don't want you, as they're just sexy tires, dude. I don't want you ruining them. Put the spacers on it. It's worth it. It's also going to give it that nice wide stance when we come to the back of this and just look down the profile of this vehicle. You're going to see that with those spacers on there, the front and back sit really even, and that is nice. A lot of aesthetics. Also going to give you that wider stance on there too, which is going to help with stability, and that's a big plus as well. When we come to the back of this, okay, more sexiness. We're going to have our full-size spare on the back. This is going to be our dual swing rear bumper on there. The ability to run a box, a folding table mount, add more gear to the back of that is all doable. And what's nice about this as well, that's going to open up. It's going to lock open and give you really easy access to getting into your back here. Now you can see that this particular customer, they've eliminated the back seats. We can swing both of these all the way open. They're going to lock in that open position as well. And that's what's cool. I mean, you got to love it. It's like a pickup truck. This is the size of most pickup truck beds these days. But all of your stuff is stored inside. Definitely love, you know, these vans. I still have the rear seat in mind. And boy, after I see this, I'm like, man, I kind of might want to get rid of my rear seat and have more space for just kids and gear. Well, not kids, but the kids' gear, because I feel like there's always so much stuff I'm dragging around. But what's really nice, that's going to lock out of the way. You can simply pull the pin right here. That's going to free this up, spin it back, close there up, and that locks into place. Close that door. So there it is, our dual swing rear bumper. Definitely a great addition to any vehicle. I'm thinking the only thing that this is missing, I mean, hell, this needs a killer set of Weldtec Designs rock sliders, and this thing would just be totally done up amazing. So there it is. This is our Baja Grocery Getter / Complete Performance Package. And keep in mind, guys, if you do have anybody else's front suspension or even a four-wheel drive suspension, we do offer leaf springs that we sell independently of the kit. So if you're looking to add Fox shocks or rear leaf springs to your four-wheel drive or somebody else's suspension kit, we do offer that as well. Really trying to just give you guys the best ride. We don't care who you got it from. We just want to make your van ride better. I guess we decided we're not taking the helicopter today, we're taking the airplane. And this airplane is going to be fast because it's got checkered flag on the tail. Dude, everyone's going cool places, and now you're going to be able to go cool places with a van like this. If you guys have any questions, that's what the comment section is for down below. Also, guys, keep in mind, I will put links to all of the products that we talked about in today's video down below as well. And on those product pages, there is a ton of information about these products. And if you want even more information, you can also click the link on the Calendly link below. Schedule a 15-minute consultation with us. Let us help you design your ultimate van or RV build. That's what we're here for. And heck, if all else fails, give us a call. One of our sales guys would love to help you guys out and get you guys dialed in like we did this van here. This thing is looking good. I guess the one thing, you know, we need to make sure that all of you guys, if you have a Weldtec Designs kit, you don't have badges, let me know in the comments. Say, hey, I need badges, and let's get you guys some badges. Let's get everybody badged up that has Weldtec Designs, loud and proud. Look at that, looking sexy on there. So that's all I got, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at this awesome beast of a van sitting on 35-inch tires. That's all I got for right now, at least. You know I'm going to be back with more killer vans and RVs. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.